Take it. Take it and help it. Help the teddy bear. Teddy bear wants to talk to you. Teddy bear wants to talk to you. Teddy bear wants to talk to you. Take the teddy bear with you. Okay. What do you want to do with teddy bear? What do you want to do with teddy bear? He was too far from you. Why are you punishing? What happened? Tell me. No, you are teasing the teddy bear. No, tap it. Politely, politely, politely. Tap it politely. Tap it politely. Okay. It's okay. Do it whatever you want. It's okay.